another brand new horror game? I don't even know. This game, basically, all we do is we're already in it. We basically have to press buttons and figure out how to get out of this escape room. Every button we press, something different is going to happen, and I believe we have to remember it, or I don't even know. But we have to escape this room, I think, to beat the game. So let's get involved in the chaos, and hopefully we can win. So let's just get right into it. Okay, the first button we're going to press. Let's just... Heels, pine cone, America, banana in a globe. Let's press this one under the hole. Did I just get a horseshoe? Wait, what? Wait, I'm so confused. Okay, let's press this one. Is that a rubber duck? What do I do with this? Okay, we have a rubber duck and a horseshoe. Let's actually look around this room real quick. 10 potions, 20 pills, 30 shots, plus an eyeball. I literally have no idea what that means. Wait! Look at now! No! This dumbass rat just stole my magnet! No, he's coming for Leroy! No! No, Leroy! Bro just tried to take Leroy. Bro just tried to take Leroy. Who the f... Tim Cheese! Tim Cheese is coming for me! Bro, Tim Cheese wants revenge, bro. I knew Tim Cheese wanted revenge, bro. Actual op, bro. Wait. What if we tried putting the rubber duck in the hole? Leroy, I'm sacrificing you for the greater good. Okay, so there's also a thing in the bottom left corner. It says, like, our head with a, like a, going through it with, like, tickets. So I don't know what that means, but I think it's, there's 5 of those, 5 of these. I don't know. I think we have to find those. Wait, can you press the same button twice? Okay, you can. Okay, so we don't need those. So do I just gotta keep pressing buttons till I find these? Ah! Wait, no! What? Holy fuck! I didn't mean to press that one! Oh my god! What? What the... Bro, okay, never mind. I'm not gonna spam press buttons anymore. I'm not spamming buttons anymore. Tim Cheese! Wait, no. I'm actually stupid. 6K away. What? What? Did he get you? Yo, Tim Cheese, you better hope that one of these buttons doesn't give me a Glock. I don't know which button was the ghost, but I don't think it was this one. Oh, pills! We need these, right? Wait. No, we don't need these, but it says recovery. Oh, we gained sanity! We gained sanity. Okay, wait, that's good. That's good. Banana! Banana! Wait, so what's this gonna do? 3, 2, 1. Banana! We'll need 4 more. 4 more. Let's go to this side. Ah! No! No! See you later, shawty. Motherfucker. Oh, I got something you can grab. Why are you booping me? What was that? What the was that? What was that? Sanity decreasing rapidly. Wait, what? No! No! Wait, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Wait, that's decreasing it! Wait, that literally just decreased it, like... Why do all these buttons on this side suck? Is he smoking a cig? What? Okay, so bro just starts smoking a pack? Okay. No! Bro, why does this keep... Ow, 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 ow! Ouch! Okay. Wait, Wait, the pills thing. Is that still the same one? Which one gave us pills? Did we just shrink? Oh, the space bar is not the jump. No! Bro, I literally forgot which one of these gave pills. Oh, just touch me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I wish something would grow like that. Can I push this? Wait. What if I make something... The hand! Wait, the hand! What if we make the hand go down and push the button? Which one was the hand? Chat, which one was the hand? No, you stupid rat! No! No, you dumbass rat! Oh, we got recovery from that. Okay, that's good. Bro, if I hit that button one more time, I'm gonna touch myself on a Tuesday. Tim Cheese, you can have that. Okay. Let's try the ones by the mannequin. It's a heart balloon. Oh, it's so cool. Whatever, Tim Cheese, you can have that. Here, Tim Cheese. Can I make a peace offering to you? I give you heart balloon. You don't crash out on me. What if this button just killed him? Wait. What if I wasn't wrong? Hear me out. Tim Cheese is going down. Hey, Tim Cheese. Are you hungry, buddy? I know you like to steal all my stuff, don't you, Mr. Tim Cheese? Go take my stuff like you always do. Go get it. Oh, yep, there you go, Tim Cheese. You dumbass Jurassic moron! Pine cone! We need that! We actually need that. That's massive. Kobe. We need 3 more things. Bro, we have to find where those pills were. I'm not gonna lie, chat. It was probably this button, and that's why you can't press it again. Holy cooked. Bro! Oh my god! Bro, go. We can't afford the sanity loss. Is that a freaking arrow? Wait. Can I shoot that? Oh! What's this? Bro, god damn it. Stay. Tim Cheese. Timothy Cheese. Timothy Cheese. Your time has come. Timothy Cheese. You think you can take on my items and have nothing happen in return. Timothy Cheese, I'd like to, play a game. I'd like to play just a little game. Would you like to play a game?
Come here, Timothy.
Come now, Timothy.
Come here, Timothy Cheese. You want the cheese? No. Yeah, you want the cheese, Timothy? You want it? Yeah.
Good boy, Tim Cheese. You're done. Get your ass in there. Wait, oh my god, I need sanity right now. I'm actually about to die. Oh my god. No. What was that? Ah! Nope. We need sanity. We need sanity right now. That is not sanity. Bro, mommy, sita. I need sanity. How is Tim Cheese back? How is he back? We got some sanity. Give me that motherfucker. Give me that. What the fuck? Ban the person who said twin. What is that? What is that? No, no. Why is it still coming? Why is it still coming? Why is it still coming? Why is it still... Ah! I'm at 0 sanity. What does that mean? What does that mean? No! This might be a little bit harder than I thought it was going to be. Oh my god, wait. This is good, though. We actually know where... We know where one of these is. I was going to say we know where a lot of these is, but why is there a crying emoji? Why is there a perfect build? No. I think I actually might know where the chicken is, but... Wasn't the top hat, like, right here? Right here? Right here? Wait a minute. Wait, this actually is not bad, actually. Hold up. Hold up now. Top hat's, like, right here. Because I don't want to lose my streak. Not falling for that. Okay, I guess I'm falling for it twice. What is that? Oh, it's a button that drops. Oh, Sigma. God damn it. Tough. What's that? It's on the wall? Yo, do you ever shut your mouth? Massive, massive. No way! No way! It shows where everything is! Wait, oh my god! Wait, this is so massive. Oh my god, wait. Crying emoji, crying emoji, crying emoji, crying emoji. Crying emoji, crying emoji. It's on the bottom middle. So like right here. Those are pills. That's actually not bad though. Not right though. This. Big! Oh my god. We need 2 more items. And chat says bottom right. And now bottom right's about to get me touched. Bottom right. Wait, what the fuck did that even do? Oh, okay. I am very confused. Is that Xbox? Oh my god, that's massive. I don't want to use it yet, though. Wait. Chad, if we use it, are you guys going to have Hawkeyes? Because we need this and this. If I use the syringe, are you guys going to have Hawkeyes and help me find it? Okay, Chad, I actually need you guys to lock in, okay? Chat, I need y'all to lock in, okay? Because we need 2 items to win. Okay, ready? Lock in, lock in. Just please let me know. Okay, I see that. I see that. Okay, this is right here. I saw that. I didn't see the other one. Chat, did you see the other one? Did y'all see the other one? We needed this. Did y'all see it? Did y'all see it? No. Wait, someone said it's near Tim Cheese. Wait, hold up. That guy actually might be cooking. Wait, is he cooking? I hate you. I hate you so much. I hate you so much. I hate you so much. I'm gonna Tim your cheese, buddy. I'm gonna Tim on your cheese. I'm gonna Tim your cheese! The top corner left side wall by couch. I actually hope, I despise you, and I hope you get hit by 15 trains all at once in Fortnite Battle Royale. I stood up and applauded for bro. Damn, that was kind of fire. What the fuck? Wait, is that the last item I need? Wait, it's showing me the button I need to click. Wait, no shot. Wait, this is either bait or I'm about to win the game. Ow! Ow! Wait, no way. No shot. 3, 2, 1. I have to do that 3 times in a row. Wait, I think I know where the fortune kitty meow meow was. I'm almost positive I know where that was. It was over here, right? Wait, there's a TV now. I have no idea what that just did. Sigma. Bro, I literally know the fortune kitty was like right here. I actually promise you guys. Bro, I'm gonna crash out. There it is! Bro, I knew it was over there, bro. If you lose all... Bro, I don't know. Wait, chat, do you guys think if we lose all of our sanity, we have to restart from the beginning? I would actually crash out if that was the case. I don't even think we found the dart or the rock yet. So that is not good looks. Oh, we need that! Good! Kobe. LeBron James. Michael Jordan. If I make this, I like being touched. Okay. Interesting. Is that a hairbrush? I am very confused. Mountain cheese. Brother. Where? Oh, we need that. Good. Ah! Okay. That just made me lose 20 sanity. And then I get broccoli. This? Oh my god, we did that so bad. Okay, that was massive. Oh my god. Oh my god, baby, let me run you down. So many ways to love ya. Brother. Brother. Brother! If I die to this, I'm gonna be so pissed. And I'm at 6%. Whole family dead. And it's over. GG's. 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 It's done. It's done. Oh my god, that's so unfortunate, bro. Oh my gosh, brother. What am I actually supposed to do about this? Bro, yeah, please don't restart me from the start. I'm actually gonna crash out if it does. Can I even outrun her, or is it just over? I'm Jim Cheese. Okay, you can't outrun her. Damn, bro, we actually have to remember stuff, chat. On everyone in this chat's soul, our memories suck. Okay, it actually saved our progress. That is massive. Okay. I actually might know where this item is. Water bottle, there's a chance. Okay, this item actually, that ass might have been right here. It's one of these 3. Oh my god, I think that's it, right? No, damn it, it looks exactly like that. Oh my god, good comms. Okay, low key, probably shouldn't have pressed that. The only reason I say that is because this also gives us 30% health. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw this in the corner. Oh my god, we found the God button. We found a God button. Oh my god, that's massive. That's the water bottle, isn't it? The memory is getting better. We're learning. Sigma. Should we click on anything? Okay, but that's also because chat doesn't know where anything is. No offense. Aren't you so nice? Well, listen, I just got called out. I had to reply. Did you take that? No, no, no. Oh my god, that was so bad. Wait, oh my god, what am I doing? If y'all don't remember anything, I'm actually going to ban you guys. Please tell me y'all saw something. Please tell me you guys actually decided to lock in, bro. Please tell me y'all decided to lock in there. Volleyball is at closet. Good comms. That's not what we needed. Barry. Dice is back left wall, so it's over here. Okay, so y'all are saying it's this one because you guys said. Brother. There we go, bro. Okay. Okay, you didn't. That wasn't bad. We'll take it. We got it. Okay. Chat. We have a syringe. If we sell this syringe with 624 people in the live, and you're telling me if we have 624 people, if we cannot find 3 items using all of our brains, you're all banned. Okay. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Y'all had to seen something, bro. Y'all had to saw something. Row 3 left wall middle is beach ball. What are you talking about? Bro, do y'all know what row 3 is? Other way. Why did someone say left wall, bro? Or they meant like left, I guess, on this part of the direction. I don't think my chat knows rights and left. I'm about to get 808. Okay, it was all the way on the right side. So right side, left wall. It's okay, we're long. Okay, 2 more. Did anyone else see the scrub or megaphone? Good comms. Good comms, chat. Good comms. Good comms. Did anyone see the scrub? Did anyone see the scrub? Did anyone see the scrub a dub dub? Scrub at right row 2? I actually feel like you're right. I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually with this guess because I had the same feeling. It's gonna be over here. It's by mouse hole. Row 1 by TV. Mod that guy and touch him right now. Oh my god! Yes! Yes! I actually know where a lot of these are. The pan is like right up here. Bro, I literally accidentally hit the pan like 4 times. Yup, bingo. I hit this like 4 times on accident. Game, you don't understand. Horseshoe. This is literally the first button I clicked in the game. Second button I clicked in the game. Third button I clicked in the game. There we go. Skull emoji is over here. I know that because I pressed it like 55 times and it pissed me off. Not that one. Not that one. It's one of these. There it is. Holy chat, the memory is actually locked right now. The memory is dead ass locked. I found both of these too. They're back wall, I think. I'm pretty sure Xbox is back wall. It was like over here. There? Are you seeing the memory? There isn't even a screw up! Oh my god. Wait. Hold up. Hold up. If it's this one, someone's dropping a uni. Damn it. Okay, it's definitely one of these. Let's go! Come on! Bang! Why did you just give me a toilet? Can I open the door? Wait, there's a button on the table. Are you kidding me? Do I have to find what buttons open the door? No, I'll deadass crash out if that's true. There's one more. Yes! Bang! Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. That was one of the most creative, cool games I played in a while, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below what was your favorite button that I pushed. And if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe if you're new. Until next time, peace.